Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever, but I wanted to start back with a SmallWoods unpackaging and review video. So I already have the pictures out. They're on the right hand side, but the packaging comes like this in this big old box, and their label is on the box, SmallWoods. The only thing that the guy said whenever he delivered them to me, the pictures did not have any bubble wrap or whatsoever, and he had said that they slipped out and if I was okay with that. So I just took a glance right quick like, and they came out all right. They just had a little scratches here and there around the frame, but are you ready to take a look? Here we go. I'm so excited. I cannot even hardly talk, you guys. Here we go. I decided, I know, look how cute. All right, so this is my oldest daughter and this is my youngest daughter, and I decided to get these two pictures blown up really big. So I really like them a lot. Like, the quality is very good, and also SmallWoods does a lot of other different kinds of printing and things like that. I believe on like actual wood, on canvases as well, but I decided to do the pics, and I got the biggest size they have. I think this is a 44 by 22, if I'm not mistaken. And I also got them while they were on sale. The original price I think would be like 100 and something bucks, but I think I got the 20% off and an extra 10%. So for both of these big ones, it equaled out to be $90 if I'm not mistaken. So yes, so I plan to hang these up in their rooms above their beds. But this is what I was telling you guys about. I mean, no major thing, you know, but the back is good, and this is wood, of course. And I guess that's just the instructions on how to hang it up and stuff. But other than that, this is my unboxing and review. I love it. And actually, this is my first purchase from them. I seen them on my I think Facebook, on the little pop-up ads, and I've been wanting some pictures of the girls, but this size right here. So this is going to be perfect, and I love it. And I was just so excited because I was actually filming another video today, and I heard the bell, and I hurried up, opened the door, and I was like, yes, they are here. So anyway, but I hope you love them, and if you haven't tried ordering from SmallWoods, I recommend you do it. You will not be disappointed. Look how gorgeous. Oh, I love them. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed my video.